yes, this is gonna be the first video of the year. I want to start the year with my right foot, if you guys know what I mean. We're gonna be meeting up with some of the Fullblown performance team members in Fullerton. Stay tuned, guys. Happy New Year's, guys. Yes, we are the first meetup spot. After here, I believe we're gonna take off and we're gonna go to Santa Monica. As you guys can see, these are Fullblown performance team members. You guys already know it. I'm gonna put it right here down below. Subscribe to their channel, follow them on Instagram. Yeah, it's crazy, man. You know, a lot of nice cars. You know, I'm gonna try to tag all of you guys on this video. You know, hopefully you guys like this video. I want you guys to have a blessed new year and a happy New Year's. Thank you for all the support. That's all I can say. You know, thank you for all the support. It means a lot.
And we say bye-bye.
Yeah, last destination, city of Long Beach. I'm already hungry, man. Tengo hambre, güey. Sheesh. This is one badass Ram. Whipple Supercharged. I hope you guys like this mini video. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it. Stay tuned for the next one. Happy New Year's.